Connect with AC power. Turn on this switch. Touch and hold this key. You can see this waveform via ECG cover, and this waveform via pedal or pads. For example, we press $100. You can see 100 here.
Okay, stand clear. Press shock.
Let's do discharge. Press this button.
Shock delivered.
This discharger trigger printer. You can see this waveform via pedal. This is for NIBP. This is for ECG cover. This is for SpO2. And this one is for temperature. This pedal is complete pedals. This one for adults. This one for children. Put these two batteries here. This is cover. This machine can optional AED like this.
This SpO2, this NIBP.